Press button. Standard. Press S to search. Schlage. In sec-e9 database, select 871.5.6.5 to enter key data. Check original key can open cylinder. Click button. Decoder to see the big picture instruction. Click button. Decode to continue. Check the small picture instruction. Fix the original key correctly, then click the small picture to continue. Click the image of single-sided key clamp to start decoding the original key. Sec-e9 is now decoding the original key data. Press button cut to enter cutting page. Select NKL silver as speed. Fix a new key blank on number 3 jaw single-sided key clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Click the image of single-sided key clamp to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Sec-e9 is cutting a new Schlage key. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and the new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing!